My name is George Meza. I'm a construction instructor here at PVC Skill Center. Today we have the Arizona Masonry Council. They are doing a workshop with our students for masonry.
My name is Ryan Gray. I'm the Workforce Development and Training Coordinator for the Arizona Masonry Council. I go around the state of Arizona and we go high school to high school, college to college. We even do NAU in the springtime, and we just promote masonry, we teach masonry, and we try to recruit out of those programs as much as we possibly can.
Lay brick, how to mix mud and control the troughs. And we are getting set up this morning. They'll be here for the next 4 days, and our students are excited and ready to go.
We're giving them the gist of the masonry trade, if you will, the fundamentals, the moving mortar from your board to the block to the brick, and putting together a wall or a column like they are behind me today.
The fundamentals of masonry is first safety, having the proper personal protective equipment. So we're excited to see the students get some professional training.
What I like about the class is the hands-on part about it and learning everything new every day. I plan on making this a career and building my own house when I get older. My favorite part of the class is probably the shop work. I don't really like the wood work, but you still learn a lot. The underclassmen should take advantage of this because not a lot of schools are doing this program. George, Mr. Meza, yeah, he's a pretty cool instructor. He teaches us a lot, especially life lessons.
What's awesome about the NAVIT program and the construction course is the teamwork and the overall energy of the class. The staff is very friendly, very inviting. My instructor, George Meza, very informal and helps out a lot when you're struggling.
We travel all around and meet a lot of different people. I get to see parts of the state that I've never seen, and being from here, that's pretty cool for me to do. I also have my son that helps me out with these trainings, and we get to travel together. It's rewarding for me just as much as teaching these guys new skills and seeing them grow as well.